hi. Thanks Audible for sponsoring this video. I love this. What is up, you guys? Today I am back with some hyper realistic cakes. Last time I did this video, I've only done it one other time where I got some really cool cakes that look like everyday objects. It is just crazy how artistic some bakers can get. Before we do get into these cakes though, I want to thank Audible for sponsoring this video. If you've watched me ever, you would know that I love Audible. First and foremost, if you don't know what Audible is, it is digital spoken audio. The last time I told you guys about Audible, they had a new update which was stories.audible.com, which is a free website available to everybody during quarantine, and it is still available right now. This is a different website than the Audible website, so you have to go specifically to stories.audible.com, and they have a selection of free books for everybody during quarantine, which I think is absolutely amazing. Like, thank you Audible for coming through. Audible knows that, you know, in these times of quarantine and stuff, we want to be entertained, and sometimes we need a break from the screen. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, you guys, like, I've watched just about every series out there, and sometimes I'll actually want to be productive and get stuff done. I mean, I want to be productive, but I don't want to be like bored, so like I'll just like pop in my headphones and, you know, listen to an audiobook. Like, I could go on throughout my day and get stuff done and still be like entertained, you know. I talked about their Audible Originals, which is original content on Audible, and they've actually expanded that, so there's a lot of new content on Audible Originals that you guys should check out. They have content for everybody and all ages, whether you want to listen for a little bit or you want to get into an entire series. I personally am getting into the Enola Holmes series by Nancy Springer. If you don't know about Enola Holmes, the first book is actually called The Case of the Missing Marquis. What's actually interesting about this is that this is actually based on the little sister of Sherlock Holmes. I found out about this series with the actual movie, so I'm excited to get into like the actual novel series and listen to it. Last time I also mentioned to you guys about Audible Sleep, which is basically short experiences to help you meditate and fall asleep, and I gotta be honest, I have such a hard time waking up in the morning because I go to sleep so late, so it's always good to like literally just sit down, listen, meditate, and just knock out. So make sure to check it out at audible.com/Karina Garcia. That is audible.com/Karina Garcia, or text Karina Garcia to 500. That is text Karina Garcia to 500. Thanks again to Audible for sponsoring this video, and without further ado, let's get into some cakes. You made it? No! Girl, I can't even make like a regular cake. The cup of noodles of it all. Do they even need an introduction? I mean, hi. I got 4 different cakes today. I got 4 different cakes last time as well. We have toilet paper because, you know, I haven't forgot that y'all went crazy over the toilet paper a few months ago. Look at this. I mean, the detail of it all. It looks like actual toilet paper. The texture and everything, like, it's so detailed. I got a Doritos bag because last time I did a Hot Cheetos bag, and oh my god, it was delicious. I feel like this is the closest to an actual cake it gets because it's flat like a cake, but the detail is just insane. I mean, the Doritos bag looks insane. Like, this right here, they got it down. You guys, this is all hand drawn, by the way. That Dorito is drawn. I actually feel bad whenever I do this. I've only done it one other time, but I'm like, oh my gosh, they're just so cute that once I actually get into them, I'm like, all the hours that went into this cake for me to just like mess it up and like just eat it. We have a cup of noodles right here, and this is so cute. Like, I don't know what it is about it, but the top reminds me of slime, but like the noodles and the little stuff right here, I'm assuming it's some kind of like gelatin or something. And then we have a water bottle. So this is our water bottle. It looks like they had a little bit more hard time making this one, but it still looks really good. I mean, a water bottle, I was like, this is gonna be a hard one. I feel like in certain angles, like, it looks pretty real. I feel like from this angle, like, yo, obviously if you look at it up close, you're like, okay, it's like a cake and stuff. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad to eat them, but let's get into it. I also have my family, so we're all gonna eat cake today. Okay, you guys, I have to get into this cup of noodles. 1, because it looks amazing, and 2, it's starting to tilt like a tiny bit. Oh my god, this is one of my faves. Okay, let's just pick it up like if it were just a cup of noodles. Oh my god, it's like not coming off. I'm scared. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna get into it and just bite it. Oh my god. No! Okay, the whole top almost like slipped out as I took that bite, but that was pretty good. What's the flavor on this? You know what? I don't think I got to the actual cake. Like, I think I really just got the top, which was fondant, because all I tasted was fondant. There she is. That's good. What is it? It's like some kind of nut. You guys, oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, should I just cut down the middle? Yeah. It feels so bad. wants to try it? Oh my gosh. What do you think it tastes like? Ooh! I don't know.
The top part tastes like candy.
Wait, what is it? What's the flavor though? I don't know what it is.
Like some sort of like Mexican cake vibes. I don't know why. You know what it tastes like?
I think it's a fondant. It's fondant, but
it gives me like horchata vibes.
Yeah? How did we go from that beautiful cup of noodles to this? This is a really good cake. Oh my god, I just feel so bad. Like the cakes are bomb. Like the detail, I feel terrible just like eating all of it. Like you know someone's gonna eat them, girl. Nothing lasts in this house. I thought that was one of the cutest ones too. Okay, let's get into this water bottle. This is a water bottle. Well, it's a cake. Obviously, it looks like it was so much harder to do than compared to the other ones just because how the heck do you make a transparent water bottle? Let me get some water, girl. Speaking of water, whew, I believe this one is actually mostly chocolate. Ow. There's cake. Okay, that's good. That's good, dude. Boom. There you have it.
I mean, in general, like, I love chocolate. It's bomb.
What does it taste like for you? Because I tasted coffee. Maybe it's just a frosting.
I taste chocolate straight up.
That is so soft. The chocolate? Oh my gosh.
It's really good.
Next up, we have toilet paper. Ooh. Okay, hi. I know that I haven't compared each cake to like all the objects, but I happen to have toilet paper in my film room. Why? Oh wow, that's a big roll of toilet paper. Oh my god, if this is not chocolate flavored, I'm gonna be pissed. I'm just kidding. Pissed. Oh my god, I'm done. I can't believe we're only 3 cakes in and I already have a sugar rush. We're only 3 cakes in. Like, who the hell eats 3 cakes, first of all? I feel like whenever I do these videos, people are like, how does she eat all that cake? I have people seriously concerned in my comments, like, how does she eat all that food? Y'all, like, I have a lot of family. Like, we all kind of pick at it. Like, I'm not literally eating like 4 cakes on camera, you know? Anyways. It's chocolate. It's chocolate. It's perfect. I mean, honestly, I wouldn't expect anything else but chocolate. Oh my god, this is like, honestly, when you think about it, this is a lot of cake. Even if it's small. Yo, you can feed a family with this cake. That's some thick toilet paper right there. Their chocolate is incredible. That chocolate is like no other. The chocolate is so dense. Oh my gosh. Bomb. Oh my gosh, so much cake. Let's see if I could take this off. Oh my gosh. Wait, nope. Nope, it's the whole thing. Okay, I feel so bad. I just ruined it. Nope. Are you getting a sugar rush yet? Because I am. And I low-key feel like I haven't gotten that much cake. Okay, last but not least, we have this Doritos cake. And this one I'm so excited about. So this one is a Doritos bag. Last time, she made me a hot Cheeto bag. And it was the cutest cake in the world. So this time I was like, you know what? I want another chip bag, but I want to switch it up. So we got a Dorito bag. I mean, look at it. Like, just looking at this bag, you'd be like, yo, how do you get that detail? I still don't understand because if you think about it, like, those chips are drawn. Like, they're hand drawn. But yo, like, the talent is just insane. I think I'm going to cut like an edge because I also want to really show my family this one. It's just so pretty. It's so cute. All right, let's just cut right in. I'm just going to do an edge. Just an edge. Whoa. Ah. Oh my gosh. Is it orange? I love this. Ah. Okay. If this tastes like Doritos, imagine that cake tasting like Doritos. That sounds bomb. Oh my god, it looks so good. Oh my god. That tastes like a creamsicle. It's so good. Holy crap, I've never had a cake like that. Is it orange, technically? Is it like a creamsicle? Hold on, Alex. I know you want to try this girl one.
I do.
It tastes like a creamsicle, straight up. This is delicious. I didn't even think I needed this in my life. It's like orange, but when you take like the whole bite together, it's like a creamsicle in your mouth.
This is like so refreshing at the end.
It is, it's refreshing. Like having all that really sweet chocolate, even if it's still sweet, it's like different. I love it. Oh my god, it's so good. Honestly, so good. And it's perfect, like the orange vibes with the Doritos. Are you kidding? Love. It's good, huh?
Yeah, it's bomb.
Oh! Ooh! Okay, that was a close one. I'm actually really happy that this one was my favorite flavor because it's the biggest one. And I know my family's gonna like it because y'all, like, there's a lot of cake. Wow. A flavor I never knew I needed. So freaking good. I brought the cakes. Oh, girl, that was not me. That was a trash can. That was a trash can.
I don't know.
No. I brought the cakes downstairs because I want people to try them out, you know? It's a lot of cake. The toilet paper is kind of falling apart, but it's okay. I mean, the Doritos bag, hi, it looks amazing.
Why does it actually have Maruchan?
It's fondant.
Oh my god, this one actually has poop inside.
Bruh.
Bro.
I called my dad downstairs. I was like, I want you to try some cakes. He's like, you called me for this. No, haces chocolate, pero. You guys, my dad actually has his YouTube channel too. Diles tu canal, pa.
No, yo no hago nada, así que...
Okay, his channel is Jose Garcia. I'll go ahead and link it below. He actually, he made the mini mansion and we had collabed in that video, but you know, he's embarrassed. Pero esta, de veras que parece una bolsa de veras, ¿verdad? Yo, it still looks, no matter how much we go into this, it still looks like a Doritos bag. Toilet paper is looking a little rough, you know, but as she should. That cake was so good. So good. And again, thank you Audible for sponsoring this video. Make sure you guys check out stories.audible.com. That is stories.audible.com. Go to audible.com/Karina Garcia, audible.com/Karina Garcia, or text Karina Garcia to 500. That is Karina Garcia to 500. I had a lot of fun eating these. Girl, I need some water, like, actually. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to click that like button. Comment down below. If you could have a cake made out of any object, what would you choose? Because if I do this again, you know, throw some crazy ideas out there. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.